All right, it is now time to celebrate some birthdays and anniversaries on this fine Tuesday morning. And we begin in Fort Scott with Kova Altick. Now, Kova's birthday was yesterday. Shares a birthday, though, with her great aunt Marlene Breaker, and she's turning 4 yesterday. So, Kova, you know what happens. You know what this means when this happens. You get to celebrate for the entire week. So get out there and make it a beautiful week-long 4th-year birthday celebration.
All right, in Moran, Kansas, Harper Gabbard celebrating birthday number 5 this year.
And we've got Cruz Moreno in Oronogo turning 6, dressed very nicely there, Cruz. I like that outfit. A very happy birthday to you.
All right, Annalyn Kaufman celebrating 7 strong this year. Birthday was actually yesterday. Attend school in Jasper, Missouri, with birthday wish and love coming from Grandma and Grandpa.
And we've got Caitlin Ray turning 28 over in Iola. Caitlin, a happy birthday to you.
Let's stay in Iola, where Sue Warren's celebrating the big 4-0 today. Happy birthday, Sue.
And we've got Lo Winslow, 89 in Liberal. Now, Lou's birthday was on Saturday, so Lou already knows what this means, that she's going to celebrate all week long. So happy birthday to you, Lou.
All right, here's an anniversary in Carthage for us. Ron and Kathy Dees are celebrating 10 years together, 10 great years together. Congrats to the Dees.
And we've also got Grant Reed celebrating a birthday in Mulberry, Kansas, and this comes with love from your sister Rebecca. Megan Lawrence in Independence also celebrating a birthday with love from Mom. And Missy Lynch turning 35 in St. Paul. A very happy birthday and anniversary to each and every one of you.